the fish is too big for him to eat. Yeah, he's struggling to eat it. It's too big. It's a flounder, I think. He can't get it down. It's too big. Oh no, he can't get it in. There's no way can he get that fish in. Give it to me, I'll eat it. Oh no, the other bird attacked him. The seagull's after it. He had to dive under. There's a seagull here now. Here he is. Oh look, there it comes, there it comes. The seagull's trying to take the fish off the cormorant. The cormorant has got a fish that's just way too big for him to eat. Oh, then they're going to have a fight over it. But that cormorant, he can't eat that fish the way it is. It's too big, and they just normally swallow their fish whole. And he can't get that one down. Your money on the seagull or the cormorant? I'm actually going to put my money on the seagull to win this fish. He's got it, he's got it. Seagull's got the fish. Oh no, the cormorant kept it. The cormorant who can't get it down his throat. The seagull waiting to get it and try to get it a couple of times. And a third competitor coming into is a, what we call it in Japan, a tombi. He's a hawk. I would call him a hawk. Oh! Has he got it? He's nearly got it down. The cormorant's nearly, yes, the cormorant's nearly got the flounder down. He's nearly got it, he's trying really hard. I think that might be it.